Hi everybody, welcome to my platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so for this question, we of course need a calculator. So in case you didn't know, you need to have a scientific calculator. It doesn't matter the calculator that you're using. Any calculator is fine. For as long as it's scientific, it's okay. So this question came in 2021, of course. And the question reads, the diagram below shows triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 11.5 meters, BC is equal to 7.2 meters, and AC is equal to 15.1 meters. So you can see the sides on the diagram here. And the first question, they're saying calculate angle ABC. ABC. Now to calculate this angle, we first need to label. So this is our small letter small letter B. Since capital letter B is here, and we know that capital letters represent angles, small letters, they represent sides. Capital letter A, small letter A will be this side. Capital letter C, small letter C will of course be this side. And out of this, we can form our own formula. We know that the angle you're looking for is here, and we have been given three sides. So this is cosine rule. For as long as the sides that you've been given, or for as long as you've been given all the three sides, and they want you to find an angle, just know that you're supposed to use a cosine rule. So for cosine rule, you start with the b squared. Why am I starting with b squared? Because the angle I'm looking for is at b. So if it's at b, I must start with this small letter. B squared is equal to a squared, n of these. So a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos capital letter B. Now let me just make you understand something about the formula. Whatever you start with here will just come and be applied or be used here. So you can see small letter b, it will come right here. You can see as capital letter. And then these other letters, they will be here and here after 2, after minus 2. So that's it. We can now plug in our small letter b, that is a 15.1 squared, which is down here, is equal to a, that is 7.2 plus c, that is 11.5 minus 2. Our a is a 7.2. Our c is 11.5. And then we say cos b. So these are the steps you must follow, and this is how you're supposed to do it. So what is 15.1 squared? That is 15.1 times 15.1. It will give us a 228.01 is equal to, here it's giving us a 51.84 plus here it's of course giving us a 132.25. Then we say minus, we now multiply 2 times 7.2 times 11.2. we're going to get a 165.6 cos capital letter B, this capital letter B. So now from here, we're going to write a 228.01, we maintain, is equal to, we now add these two, and when we add them, we're going to get a 184.09. Then we say minus 165.6 cos capital letter B, which we are looking for. So the next thing here is just to group the like terms. We've got a 228.01 minus 184.09 is equal to negative 165.6 cos, capital letter B. So when we work out here, of course, it's giving us a 43.92, which is equal to negative 165.6 cos, capital letter B. We now divide by, since we're solving for B, we divide by negative 165.6. Even this side, negative 165.6. So these two will go. We shall remain with the cos, capital letter B, which is equal to, when we divide 43.92 divided by negative 165.6, we are getting a negative 0.2652173913. So this is what we're getting. We now find the cos inverse. Remember, we are looking for an angle, so we need to find the cos inverse. So we shall say B is equal to cos negative 1. So cos power negative 1 of negative 0.2652173913. So we just find the cos inverse of this. So here we just need to punch on our calculator. Okay, we punch on our calculator. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So get your calculator and punch on shift. You go to where it says cos. Here in this case I'll say cos there, so it will bring that, and now copy what is there. Actually it's negative 0.2652173913. And then you say okay, it's giving us a 105. So this B, or angle B, is equal to 105.4 degrees in one decimal place. So we can say angle A B C is equal to 105.4 degrees. This is what we are looking for. We now go to the next question. So here we can indicate that, okay, our angle here, it's a 105.4 degrees. So the next question here, they want us to find what? To calculate or to find the area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So look at this. A, B, C. They want us to find that area. So what we're going to do, for us to find the area, we need to get this angle. We also need to get the sides which are forming this angle. So always get this angle and its sides. If it was this, if they said find the area of triangle CAB, we would have gotten the angle which is here. We also get this side and this. Now since the angle which we are using, it's at B, we'll get the sides which are here, this and this. So we're going to say, we shall say area, okay, of the, we write the formula, area is equal to 1 over 2. Then here we write the sides. Okay, look at the sides. The sides I pointed. This, of course, is our small letter C. This is our small letter A. C, A. So we're going to get these sides. So we say A, C times sine. Even if we are using cosine rule, but for finding area, remember that you always need to use sine. So it's sine capital B. Remember, I said that these sides will be used as well as the angle. So we shall say 1 over 2 times our A is a 7.2 times our C, it's 11.5 times sine capital 105.4 degrees. So this is what we need. I'm going to punch on my calculator. So we need to punch 1. Okay, so we need to punch 1 times 7.2 times 11.5 times sine. So times sine 105.4 degrees. So just punch these numbers. Forget about the degrees when you're punching on your calculator. Just these numbers. And it's going to give you a 79.8270994.7, and then you say over a 2. So divide by a 2. When you divide by a 2, of course you're getting your answer to be equal to 39.9135497.4 meters squared. So you can write it in 3 significant figures. It will be 39.9 meters squared. So this is our answer. We go to the last question. For the last question, they are saying we find or we calculate the shortest distance. So for the shortest distance here, we need the formula. So the formula for shortest distance is h is equal to 2a over a b. So shortest distance from B is here, because they're saying from B. So B is here to AC, so here. So our capital A will simply be equal to the area we found in the previous question. So capital A is the area. The previous question area we found it to be equal to 39.9. And then we say over. For B, it will be the length which has been mentioned. AC. So whatever they mention here, that will be your B. AC, it's 15.1. So we punch on our calculator. 2 times 39.9. It's giving us a 79.8 over 15, okay, 0.1. So when we divide by 15.1, it's of course giving us a 5.28 meters. So I've just put my answer in 3 significant figures. So if you want, you can just copy everything that you're able to see on your calculator. It's fine. So we now go to question B. So for question B, they are saying solve the equation. So we need to solve this equation. So they've just given us a trigonometry equation. So we've got 15 tan theta is equal to a 14. So for this one, they've even given us a range. So you have to be very careful of the range they've given you. So this is the range they've given us. And I want you to understand something before we do calculate. So this is how we do it. So this is a 0 degrees or 360 degrees, okay? And here you need to know that it's 90 degrees. Here it's 180 degrees. Here it's a 270 degrees. So in case you don't know, this is how it's supposed to be. So we use the mnemonic as in A, which is all students is take T calculus. All students take calculus. So for all the trig, sine, cosine, and sine, cosine, and tan, they are all positive. They are all here positive. Okay? And then for sine, it's positive here. This is sine. Tan is positive here. Cos is positive here. So any other things, any other like cos, here it's negative because it's only sine which is positive here. Tan is positive here, cos is positive here. This is how you must be remembering. So now, we'll try to solve this equation, and if it gives us a positive answer, meaning its solution will be found in the third quadrant here. First, second, third. It will be here and here. So for tan, the positive answers are going to be found here and in this quadrant. Okay. Now looking at the range we've been given, they are saying from 180 to 260, meaning the answer must be here. It must be here between 180 and 270 degrees. So let's solve this. So we shall say 15 tan theta is equal to 14. We divide by a 15 by a 15. So tan theta is equal to, when we divide here, we're getting a 0.933333333. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So now to solve for theta, we're going to say theta is equal to tan inverse. It's tan inverse of 0.933333333. Okay? And of course, this is giving us it's giving us a 43. When we punch on our calculator, 43.02506, okay? Let me check, 0.6599. This is what we are getting, degrees. So, we have to check. So if we check, we look nicely, this angle is somewhere here. It will be here, okay? This is where it is. But we don't want the solution which is between 0 and 90 degrees. We want the solution which is between 180 and 270. So our answer must be here. This is where our answer is. So we just get this 180 plus the angle we found. So it will be 43.0250659 degrees plus 180 degrees. And when we do that, it's giving us let's punch on our calculator 43.0250659, okay, plus 180 degrees. So it's giving us a 223.02566 degrees. So this is our answer, and writing this in three significant figures, it will just be this. So this is our solution. Let's go to the last question. So for the last question here, they want us to simplify. So to simplify this, we've got 39x power 3 over 28 y power 4 divided by 65x power 5 over 56y power 5. So we're going to use the rule of division. When dividing fractions, you of course reciprocate. So this will be times 56y power 5 over 65x power 5. So you can see this x power 3 into itself, it's 1. Into this, it will be x power 2. Then y power 4, it's 1. Into this, it's y power 1. And then we come to this. 28 into 28, it's 1. Into 56, it's a 2. Okay? And then 13 into 39, it will give us a 3. Into 65, it will give us a 5. So we've got 3 times 1 times 2 times y. It will give us, and then 1 times 1 times 5 times x power 2, it will be 5x power 2. So this is our answer. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. If you've enjoyed, please remember to share, leave a comment, And if you really need help, okay, more help, remember we offer online tuitions in English. We've got mathematics. We've got commerce. We've got civic education. We've got RE. We've got biology. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got science. There's science, okay? And science. So these are the subjects we are currently offering online tuitions in. For senior secondary, for junior secondary, which is grade 9, we've got English, we've got science, we've got math, we've got business studies, business studies, BS. So these are the subjects that we are offering tuitions in. So if you want to be part of the classes, you can WhatsApp or call this number right here. We'll be able to advise you on how you can join our online classes. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.